Hi, Adam from Clark's of Cavan here. We are delighted to announce we are now stockists of the full range of Wessex salt and grit spreader range. Beside me here we have the Wessex PolarOne 900 model. This is the largest salt spreader that fits into a single crew cab Jeep on the market. It holds the full 1 ton salt bag. Some of the main features to this machine are its twin vibrator either side of the hopper. This allows for very good salt distribution, and the large 105mm auger, which travels the whole length of the hopper, allows for very little chance of the salt bridging or getting stuck. The double-skinned poly hopper allows for a brine storage tank of 460 litres within itself. A fully adjustable spinner allows for different variations of spreading, so you can adjust your angle via this chute here, and this can set your salt off to the left, to the centre or to the right. Also, this is a filling point for your walk behind spreader, so when you're done your big area you can pull out your walk behind spreader, go underneath and fill it up. The main feature of this spreader over its competitors is the GPS connectivity. If you slow down, the machine slows down. If you speed up, the machine speeds up. This allows for consistent and accurate spreading patterns. For more information on this Wessex PolarOne spreader or any of our other salt spreader range, contact me directly on 087 70 40 119 or our main line on 049 433 2166. All our spreaders are also available online at www.clarksofcavan.ie.